Hi, Aaron with Reporting Guru here. I just wanted to tell you what Reporting Guru can do for your company. Quite often, companies have reporting needs and reports they need built, and they just don't have the bandwidth, resources, or technical skill sets to build those reports. So, no matter how many reports you need built, Reporting Guru can help. We can help set up, optimize your reporting system, and understand your business requirements. We work as needed with no minimums and no retainer to help with your reporting needs. So you can just try us out for a few reports and see how it goes. There's really no risk there at all. So when you engage Reporting Guru, when you engage us, you can expect the following. We're going to understand your business requirements. If we need to get on a conference call with you, if we need to do screen sharing sessions, we'll do it just so that we can understand what you're wanting, what a specific need is, um, what's the final result that's wanted. And so sometimes just emailing back and forth or isn't good enough. I mean, sometimes you actually need to like get on the phone. We will need to and do screen sharing sections to make sure that the understanding is there. We're gonna make sense of your data, and we can help advise on that. So whether that's charting and dashboarding and KPIs, we've been in business for over 12 years, so we know we've done tons of reports, so and work with tons of different systems, so we can help advise on what we think is the best way to visualize your data. If you need a reporting system set up, we can do that. We can set up the architecture. We're not in business to sell specific software. We don't make any money from selling software. So what we do is we advise you based upon your needs, what you currently have, what database you're using currently, what ERP or application you're using. We advise the best reporting system based upon that's most cost effective and that's going to serve the needs of your company. And so we can implement that based upon your business requirements. And so and also we're not just a reporting company. I mean, we're all database developers here. We can write the complex database queries and store procedures and functions that are needed to build those data sets so that then those can be pulled into the reports themselves, and rendered within the reports. If you have multiple applications or ERPs that you need to integrate together, we can do that by integrating the databases with an ETL tool or whatever necessary, so that there's one central data warehouse so that we can build your reports upon. And as I said before, you can use Reporting Guru as needed. Especially, I mean, a lot of times maybe you can't find the right person, and or there's just not the need there to have a full-time person sitting at the office for 40, 50 hours a week, when Reporting Guru can, as you have a request, as you have a need, you can use us, and we'll fulfill those needs on demand, in a much more cost-effective way than having this full-time resource on staff, because we have no weekly or monthly minimums. So if you need reporting help, database, dashboarding, KPI, data analysis, business analyst, business intelligence, if you need that type of help, give us a call, 1-800-921-4759, or email us, info@reportingguru.com, for a free analysis. Let us just chat with you to see what your needs are and see how we can help out. Thank you.